Today's recipe is lamb adobo. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to the West. Today's recipe is lamb adobo. Adobo is a traditional way of cooking in the Philippines to preserve food using vinegar. Here are the ingredients of my lamb adobo: lamb, tomato, ginger, garlic, onion, ground black pepper, vinegar, cooking oil, water, and soy sauce. Now let's start cooking. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Now, let's start cooking! In a preheated pan, add the cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and saute. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the ginger. Now we can add the onion. Once the onion is soft, add the tomato. Stir occasionally. Smells absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be a delicious lamb adobo. Now the onion is soft, add the tomato. Stir occasionally until tomato turns soft. Now move all the ingredients to one side of the pan. Now we should add our lamb for our lamb adobo. And we can brown off the lamb for a couple minutes. After a minute, turn over the lamb. We just have to brown off this, guys. Now, season your lamb adobo with ground black pepper. Mix it up. Add the vinegar, soy sauce, and water. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 30 minutes, we need to give the lamb adobo a good stir. By slow cooking, it makes our lamb adobo tender and juicy. Cover and simmer for another 15 minutes. After 45 minutes of total cooking time, your lamb adobo is now ready. Let's have a look. Serve with rice and enjoy. Now let's taste it. What a lovely lamb adobo, guys. Tender and juicy. You have to try this. I hope you enjoy my lamb adobo today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.